What's up guys, Dante here with Overland Rebel ATL, and today I thought I would take you along and show you my new thin, lightweight rooftop tent by Inspired Overland. Follow along. So this is it, the new Inspired Overland 2.0 rooftop tent. It is lightweight, it is thin, it is nimble. Dimensions are roughly 82 by 52, don't quote me. And it is only about 4 inches thick, which is pretty nice. This thing is a, quote, soft shell, kind of like a tonneau cover material there. We have a plastic bottom and several support bars and an aluminum frame. One thing I do like about this one is it zips closed. So there's a zipper, obviously, that goes all the way around. You unzip it and you pop it up. No flappy covers to mess with like some of other soft shell tents, giant covers that kind of just hang there. This one just pops up in clamshell style, and there's no cover to fool with. So I'm going to set it up and let you guys see how long it takes. So that's it, guys. That was like 35 real-time seconds to unzip and pop this tent open. Super happy with it. Nothing to set up. There is poles for a support that we'll get to here in a minute, and poles to prop this awning out. So I'm gonna show you guys that now. So now we put the little poles in to hold out the top rainfly. I copied a mod from ATEM Off-Road about re-drilling this hole at an angle about 45 degrees. That way these stakes kind of bend outward instead of come straight out. So that definitely helps prevent some sag. This thing's pretty nice. The material's good. I'm gonna jump up top and show you the inside. So it does have a pair of support poles. These go up to the top, just maybe on like a windy night. I put this one in so you can kind of see how it mounts, just like a normal awning pole, and that just kind of holds the top up if needed. The material here is very sturdy, normal tent material. You do have mesh on all the windows and doors, but not any extra material, so you get pretty good views out this thing. Nice storage pocket up here, and then the mattress is about, they claim 1.5 inches thick here, and then you also have a condensation mat underneath. It was pretty comfortable. I know some people are adding another layer of thickness to it. You still be able to zip the tent closed with it like that. Not sure. I think I was happy with it as is, especially with the thickness of a sleeping bag. You're doing pretty good, but well made. There's tons of little hooks and bungee attachments to roll up the material and get it out of the way. And so far so good, guys. I forgot to mention that it does come with a ladder, and this thing is set up to be mounted on all 3 sides. So if you're a driver's side guy, you can put it on that side. If you're a passenger side guy, you can put it on that side. If you want it coming off the back, you can put it on this side. My truck is set up pretty good. I just use the tires as a ladder, stand on my bed, and crawl on the side. That's easy for me, and I don't have to mess with the ladder. So that's what I did. This weekend when we were camping, it was opened up, fully ventilated. So just the mesh on the sides and the mesh on the door. At about midnight, we did catch a 30-minute pouring down rainstorm. So I jumped up, rolled this front panel down, and left the sides open, and we stayed dry. Rain hits the top and rolls off, and rain hits this cover on this side and rolls down. So we stayed dry during a pouring rain with the side windows open. Another thing, you do have this little bungee here. I just pull it under and tuck it in. And then when you want to close up the tent, you pull it around, and it's just going to pull this material in so it doesn't get caught in the zipper. So I'm going to show you guys that. There you go. It's going to suck that material in, and then we just close it like normal. That's it, guys. It closes just as easy as it opens. You just have to tuck in some of that extra tent material and zip it right back up. Thanks for coming along. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I will post some links below to Inspired Overland if you guys want to check them out. Or if you guys want to see anything else, just leave it in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. Happy camping.